Hello there, I'm from the Galpa 2 development team, and I'm going to show you how to model something with just an image. So first, go to Shift A, grab a mesh and hit cube. Press tab to go in edit mode, or you can just select it manually, Control R, and then just left click, and then right click if you want to put it to the center. If you've already moved it like this, you can just right click. So then you just want to go over here, and you just want to vertices. Now this will happen. Right, so we can just add that. We can go to this little tool icon right here, add modifier, add a mirror, and then you also want to add a subdivision surface, which you can find right here. And now I'm going to set it to 2 for an example. Now put X, plug in your image, so I'm just going to drag my image in. Now I'm just going to go here, and you're going to select this mode right here. So then you just go here, and then you want to, actually you just want to G and then X, and then you just want to put them together like that. Now click this icon right here, that part. Now we're going to get modeling, press E, and then you'll extrude it. Now we're just going to, well, first we've got to rotate it, so E, and then we're just going to move it like that. Over and over. Until we get something we like. So, yeah, this will take longer to do. This will take very long to do if you're not a professional, if you're not that good. So, to keep in mind that I am not the best, but I can do it. You don't have to match it perfectly, you can leave some lines, you know, if you cannot match it. So then just, and then just E, and then just go. Like that. So then you'll have this big thing. So what you want to do is you just want to go there. I'm just gonna, for the top, I'm gonna put it, and then I'm just gonna put it there. I'm just gonna, then I'm just gonna drag it there. And then just, I'm gonna go here, and I'm just gonna boop, and then I'm just gonna scale it, and then I'm just gonna extrude it. It won't look the best because you've just started, and then you've probably just got your dinosaur a little bit, or whatever you've made. So yeah, so I'm just gonna boop. Right, and now that's what will happen. So the way we can fix that is just by doing that, and then yeah, we just want to, so then you just want to rotate it, and then you just want to boop, and then if you want you can, but first, that's what can happen, so that's why I was going here, so that won't happen, and then just that, and then just, yeah. So that's actually pretty it, and then we got to add the last detail, the arm, which we can do pretty simple, right? So then just drag that for number 1, and then you just want to do that there, and then just go there, and then you can do it there, and then here. So yeah, I hope this, and then when you are finished, you can delete the image, press tab A, and then if you want you can clip, and then you can just G and then X, and then you can just clip it like that, and then you've got a thick dinosaur. Or if you want, you can turn clipping off, and you can just match it together like that. And then clip. It's a big boy, big boy. So that's actually a pretty fast way to do it. I never knew that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, have a nice day. Goodbye.